Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new cooking, baking. Okay, I put a little bit of butter. I would say, I don't know, 75 gram. It's melted, and I'm gonna add a cup of flour. Okay, this is my cup measurement. And I'm going to stir it, but I'm not going to burn it. Just going to have the taste of the flour to be gone. And I'm just going to move this. I don't want my container to melt. Okay. While I'm doing that, I was emptying. I had 2 bags of this. And let me turn this heat a little bit down. So this is supposed to be good for you, especially if you're diabetic, which I am. Okay, I'm stirring this. I think the butter is not enough. As you can see, the butter is gone, so that's how I know I need more butter. Okay, I'm going to turn around and add more. Well, I think it's okay. Yeah, but I'm going to add a little bit more butter. Okay, here's my butter. I'll cut this in half. And I got my milk ready. So, add this. I have 1 cup and a quarter. Not a quarter, it's a 1/3. And I just have a little bit left in the container. So I will empty that as well. And I bought this from Costco. It's a 0-calorie sweetener, but it does have a sugar in it. Just a little bit, not too much. See, it says 0 here, so confusing. And sugar, alcohol, it says 4 grams for 1 tablespoon. No, this is teaspoon actually. So confusing, isn't it? But the other one doesn't have any sugar, so I thought this was the same as the other one. But I'm a bit confused. So I'm gonna open this because this won't be enough sugar. I need at least a cup, or maybe half of it, to add the sweetness. So this is called a pudding, and in Turkish it's called Tavuk Göğsü, which means the breast of the. Here is my sourdough dry. It's called the breast. See, this looks like sugar. So it is the breast of the chicken, but that. To make a pudding with that, it's too many steps, too much work. So this is the easiest way to replicate it, and the taste is the same, believe it or not. It is same. But yeah. So here's a very easy recipe, and if you have a sweet tooth like I do, definitely try this recipe. Okay, so I'm not going to burn this. That's the main thing, not to burn the flour, just to stir it. See, my butter is not even yellow. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to add the sugar later, because I turned my thingy down. That's why it's not. Turned it half. There's always stains, marks, because I'm always in the kitchen cooking, right? So I always wipe it. What am I wiping with? Okay, lately I've been wiping with Dawn dishwasher rinse. Makes it shiny. And I would recommend. And I put a little bit of baking soda, yeah. Unfortunately, this one is too old. flour's on the... Let me just wipe that. When I'm so careful, it happens. Okay, so I'm going to pour the milk. This is ready. I don't want to burn the flour. Okay, so 1 cup and a bit more. Let me empty the rest of the junk here. So this was 2%. You can use any milk you have. So just a little bit of this. Yeah. Okay, so you need a blender like this because we need to blend it. I don't want it to boil, so let me just plug this in here. Or you can use any tool that you have if you don't have a hand blender like this. So we need to get rid of those clumps, the hard stuff. I'm gonna lower the oven at the stove. Okay, I think I forgot to tape it. I just added a little bit of vanilla. I don't know, I forgot. Thought I touched the start button, but it didn't start. So just mixing this, and I added the sugar. I hope I taped it. It was just less than a cup of sugar, which I added this one as well. So I'm going to continue mixing this, I don't know, until it's totally smooth. No things that I can see. I'm just going to, here's my thingy that I'm making a video as well. If you watch this one, don't miss this one as well. Going to make pide, Turkish Ramadan pide. Sometimes I think I was born in Canada and raised here. Most of my life I was in Canada, but I still cook Turkish food. Even though I'm born here, but my background, my ancestors my parents are from Turkey, right? Turkey. So that's the thing, I guess. I'm always looking for recipes. Even it's really, really weird, but it's true. Yeah, if you're wondering, this is sourdough. I don't throw when it dries up. I dry them and I put them in jars and I use them like yeast, just like regular yeast. Oh, I wish you can smell the aroma. It smells so good. So I think this is done as I'm mixing. There's no lumps left. So let me just pour this into my containers. Okay, so I'm gonna empty these to the containers and then have these ready. Put cinnamon in it. And ta-da! So I hope you liked this short video. I wanted to share ASAP before I forget the ingredients. It's easy, actually. I don't think I will forget, but you never know. We're all getting old. So these videos are useful to watch over and over until you make Tavuk Göğsü.